YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is a little bit disappointing because it is a luxury unboxing fail, and I debated about whether or not to even show you this, but because it is a bag that's not reviewed or shown very much on YouTube, I thought it would be valuable for me to show it to you. And I do not plan on adding another one of these, and I'm going to let you know why. So this one's going to be going back, and I always hate to do videos on things that I'm sending back, but I feel like it may be valuable to those who are considering these items, especially since there aren't very many stores from this particular brand here in the United States. And so it's hard to know what things are like until you get them in person. Before I get started, I wanted to show you my bag of the day. It is the Olive Dress Up Your Purse mini Boston bag in the Togo leather and Vachetta leather, and I have it dressed up with a Louis Vuitton luggage tag, and I think this chain is from Samorga a long time ago, and I just cut it to fit the size here to how I liked it. And then I also have a Louis Vuitton strap on it, but it comes with an amazing Vachetta strap, and the Vachetta strap, I use it on my keepall. So it's funny because I use Louis Vuitton on this bag, but then I use the strap from this on my keepall. And this one is still on flash sale for like $137.65, I think. So I'll link it as well as the other Boston bags below. You can get these for like $194.65 or less because some of them are priced at $199. So with my 15% off discount, you can get them even cheaper. I think it comes out to $169 maybe if they are $199. So an amazing deal for such a cute little squishy smooshy bag. It comes with 2 straps and an insert. What a deal. Well, I say that. The ones that are $199, I don't think they come with an insert, but they do come with 2 straps. So that's my bag of the day. So here is my luxury handbag. It's all packaged up, ready to go back, but it's also packaged like it was sent to me. And I mean, the packaging is actually pretty amazing. They rest this on the top, and then within the box perfectly fits the shopping bag. So you get really the shopping experience. And yes, this is Mulberry. I've been on a Mulberry kick. I have 7 Mulberry bags, which is an uneven number, and I like even numbers, so I thought this would be the 8th. And I sold my Coach Soft Tabby with all of her accoutrements, her extra straps and 1941 tag and all of that, and use that money to buy this bag. And so as I kind of said, it's already a fail, so this one's going back. Now, the Mulberry outlet typically does not allow returns, but in this case, they are going to make an exception, and that is not common. Usually, you have 14 days to exchange an item, but you can't return it. So they did make an exception because of the defect that I'm going to show you today. So here we go. Let's get into it. Now, I will tell you the color is absolutely fabulous, and I hope it comes across on screen. This is the Mulberry Iris bag in the small size in the cornflower color. So I'm super excited I got to see the cornflower color because this is one of the ones that I would love to find in the mini Alexa, but I thought this one would suffice, and it would be fun to have a different style because all of my Mulberry bags are mini Alexas or mini Bayswaters. If you want to see my collection, I'll link it down below. I think it may be missing one, the Mulberry pink one, but it's got I think 6 bags that I have out of the 7 in the Mulberry collection video. So this one, the way that it works is it has 2 like drawstrings on each side. And the drawstrings, you can loosen them up, and I'll show you that here in a minute, and pull it way out. My issue with this bag is the glazing and also the strap. The way the strap connects and the way the handle connects to this bag, it's just not good in my opinion. And because of that, I don't think I would want to get another one, even if it was even cheaper. And I got this one for $6.84 by buying the top handle that actually matches it, and then also another iPhone X case. So I got 25% off because I bought all the things. So here is the strap. I'm going to go ahead and hook it together. I'm going to show you what this looks like on. I'm going to show you the glazing issue, and we're just gonna see it all together today. The handle also came in a dust bag. So you can get the iris kitted or non-kitted. And if it's kitted in this particular shade, it comes with a cornflower blue, and I think it's an orange or rust color as the accent color instead of this white. And I definitely prefer the white, and I was looking at one on Fashion File and it was over $1,000. I think these retail for maybe around $1,500, and I thought that was too much, so I was sort of waiting for a deal. Plus, it wasn't new, and it had a little bit of like rubbing or something going on with it, like dirt on the inside or something. And then my lovely sales associate told me he had this one, and I was super excited. So far so good. The handle's really cute. The bag's really cute. I like the drawstrings. Look how it opens up, and it's got like a suede on the interior, which is really nice, or it may just be the back side of the leather. It has this snap closure, which is not a super strong snap, but it does have that plastic over it, and I'm not going to remove the plastic because this is going to go back. But the issues I have with it are the glazing, and I'm going to have to insert some pictures, I'm sure, but like one spot is right there. I just feel like that does not look good at all. And then along the top edge, I feel like this is done, like it looks like it's just gonna crack. Like it's just really sloppy. And then over here by the handle, there are actually several spots that it's like the glazing doesn't completely cover the white part that's not painted on the leather. And to me, it should fully cover the unfinished part of the leather, and this just looks kind of sloppy to me. There are also several spots like this where it's like there are little nicks missing on the bag. Like the glazing is just so sloppy compared to what I've experienced with my other Mulberry bags, which have been pretty perfect. So here is a deal breaker as to why I would not purchase another one of these bags since I have experienced this one. There is this little clochette that has a ring inside of it, and it hooks to this ring. So this is an O-ring, and it opens and it takes this and the strap. And that is how everything is connected together, by this one O-ring. And so from this side, you're going to have 3 things hooked when you have the crossbody strap on as well. Now you could always just carry it top handle, but I like to use the crossbody straps when they have them. And so this is how the crossbody strap works. First of all, I just do not like, I know Gucci uses this kind of mechanism, but this just feels kind of cheap to me. I do not like that. You open it up by pinching it right here. So that's how you open it. And of course you could also just open the O-ring to open it. So that's how it connects. So look what happens. You see how when you wear it crossbody that those rub together? I think that that is going to be a bad thing for wear and tear on this bag. So this side has just 2 things hooked to it, but you still have that issue of the rubbing that's going to happen. So I have this on the second to last setting. I'm about 142 pounds and I am 5'8". And I'm going to go ahead and show this to you. So like I said, you can see it's kind of a wider bag. This is like a bucket style bag. I don't mind the size of the bag or anything about like the way it cinches in, or you know, how the leather looks and feels. The leather feels amazing. I love the detail on the braided strap. My issues are that you got 3 things hooked to this one ring right here, and you got rubbing right there, and the glazing is really sloppy. So there's the bag on. It is a nice size, and I should probably grab one of my mini Alexas so I could show you this next to one of them. Let me do that. So here's the mini Alexa next to the small iris, and see, I feel like they're pretty similar, but to me, I don't like how much more the iris juts out at the bottom. And I guess I just prefer a flap bag to a bucket bag, but they are not all that different. Now the iris is going to be a lot bigger than the mini Bayswater, because the mini Bayswater is smaller than the Alexa. So you can see there is a pretty big difference there. So I was in the process of spraying down my Mulberry Pink Mini Alexa, and I noticed that one of the snaps was about to fall off that held the strap on to the bag. And so I sent my sales associate at Woodbury pictures of it, and he sent me a label to mail it in. So I don't have my Mulberry Pink Mini Alexa right now. And when they got it, they actually had one in stock. When I sent it in, they didn't. So they're sending me back one that's brand new. But he told me that the repair process within the first year is free, and it takes like a week, which I was amazed by. That's really good. So with this bag having the glazing issues that I feel like it has, they offered to do a repair for me and re-glaze the bag. But for me, there is just so much glazing on this bag, and it is an opposite color to the bag. With the Mini Alexas, the glazing is the same color as the bag, and that is a lot more forgiving than having a different color. The Mini Bayswaters, they have a different color, just like this, but I'm telling you, they're like perfect. I feel like this one, whoever did the glazing on it was having a bad day. So it just doesn't work for me. I mean, it's okay. And I think that if the strap didn't connect this way, I would be interested in getting it reglazed. But since it hooks on that way, I'm just not a fan. And I didn't realize that it would hook onto the same and then rub this. That's exactly like the Fendi Peekaboo. The strap on the Fendi Peekaboo hooks on to where the handle hooks on and then rubs on it. And I think it's just such a design flaw, because if you do use the bag a lot, you're gonna wear the color off the leather there. So for me, this is a fail, and they are letting me do a return. Now, if it gets there for the return and they get another color of the Mini Alexa in that I just love, or a Mini Bayswater in that I just love, I will do an exchange. But I didn't want to be held to getting a store credit if they didn't have something I wanted. And so I am going to be able to get a refund, but it is a special exception just because the glazing is an issue on this bag. But let's talk about the color. Don't we love this color? I mean, I could totally see getting another bag in this color. If I can come across a Mini Alexa in this color, I would be all over it. I would also be over a Mini Bayswater in this color, or the lawn green. The lawn green is still singing a siren song to me, and I would love to have that one too. Bags, bags, bags. There's always something to want. But for now, this one's going back, and I just wanted to show you because it is a beautiful bag, but I do feel like this is an issue, and the fact that the glazing really wasn't done well is an issue for me as well. I hope you liked this quick video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there's the same. It's the @ then the Handbag Housewife, all lowercase. You can DM me there, or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.